Hey guys, this is my first YouTube video. Please check it out and don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to go ahead and start off with Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. And this is just a really important step before applying any makeup because you want to prevent your foundation from looking dry and patchy. And now we're going to go in with the Smashbox Photofinish Primer. This is just a really good base for your foundation, which will allow it to go on smoother and last longer. Next, we're going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the color medium brown. And I'm just defining her brows. She already has really thick, beautiful eyebrows, so we're not adding too much product, but just enough to give her a little more definition. Now taking my favorite product, Tarte Shapetape in Light Sand, we're going to go underneath her eyebrow, getting as close as we possibly can to the edges and blending outwards. This is just going to help keep her eyebrows and her eye makeup looking as clean as possible and giving it more definition. It's a really great step to add to your makeup routine if you haven't already. Now taking the color Eden from my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, we're working Eden as our transition shade, and we are going to be pulling it towards the inner part of the eye as well. Now I'm taking the color Blaze and Amber, and we're going to be applying it in the inner crease as well as the outer V area, making sure to blend it as well as we possibly can. Now picking up the color OUD, we're going to add this to the outer and inner corner of our eyes, and we will go ahead and deepen it up later on. Again, picking up my Shape Tape, I'm going to carve out a halo-like right towards the middle of her lid, going down. Taking the color Noir from my Tamanna palette, I'm taking my tapered blending brush and I'm applying this in a more concentrated area of the inner and outer lid. Now taking a gold metallic-y shade, I'm adding that to the middle of her eye to make it pop some more. Taking my Too Faced glitter glue, I'm just applying that directly on top of that gold shade we just applied. And then I'm going to take my Eyekandy Cosmetics glitter in the color Taffy and apply that directly on top of the gold shade to give it more of a pop. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever Aqua Black Gel Eyeliner, and I'm using an angled brush. I really find that using an angle brush gives me a very nice neat line along with the precision and thickness that I'm looking for. Now I'm going in with my MAC StudioFix Fluid in the shade NC35. I'll be applying this to her entire face and neck, and then I'll be blending it out with my Makeup Forever straight brush, and that is in number 106. Now going in with my Mud number 2 palette, I'm going to start off by hollowing out her cheekbones, and this will help them appear higher. And next I'm going to be adding definition to her nose, which will also make it look straighter. Here I'm contouring her jaw. This placement is typically supposed to hug her jawline, so it's supposed to be right on the edge of the bone. I typically do like to contour here, but again, you can customize this based on your needs. If you do have a strong jaw or a more square face, you could definitely skip this step. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the highlight that we applied under her eyes. Now going in with Makeup Forever's translucent powder, I'm going to set her under eye area along with all the other areas we highlighted for about 5 to 10 minutes, and this allows the heat from her face to set the base foundation and concealer, and then dusting it off, leaving you with a creaseless, flawless finish. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette, and I'm going to be applying this to the highest points of her face. going in with my Bite Cosmetics Lippy in the color of Tulip. I'm going to be taking this and applying it to her lips, along with Girlactik's Iconic Liquid Lipstick, which is actually going to leave her with a matte finish.